Your Kylas CRM holds all of your lead intelligence. But the sales conversations? It's logged in a separate app, and because your systems don't talk to each other, you waste valuable time copying contacts, tracking call logs, and manually updating conversations. The result? Time that should go into growing your business only reflects as slow progress in your reports. But you can easily change that with KrispCall integration in your Kylas CRM, making contact sync instant, call log update automatic, and even dial calls and send SMS right from the Kylas dashboard. Integrating these two powerful platforms is even easier. Let's begin with its setup step by step. Log into your KrispCall account and head over to Settings. Go to Integrations, search for Kylas, and click Connect. KrispCall will prompt you for an API token. Now switch to your Kylas account, go to Settings, open the Integration section, and click on API. Copy your key, return to KrispCall, paste it, and click Connect Now. With your accounts linked, you can customize the integration settings. In General Settings, select your sync preferences suitable for your growing business. Under Workflow Settings, configure the sync options in detail as you need. And in Connected Numbers, add one or more numbers to personalize and track your conversations. After customization, you can start creating your contacts. Whether in KrispCall or Kylas, they immediately sync both ways. Once synced, sales conversations can begin directly from your CRM. But first, install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser. Then, go to your Kylas contacts and click on the Communication tab. Click on the KrispCall icon next to the number, select the call option, and the dialer opens instantly. You're ready to deliver your sales pitch without wasting time. While on a call, you can create notes in real time, which sync directly to your Contacts Activities tab. Need to send an SMS instead? Click the same KrispCall icon, select SMS, type your message, and just hit Send. Along with SMS, every call log with recordings gets updated in the Activities tab. Missed a call? Don't worry, voicemails are synced too. You can listen to audio messages right from your Kylas dashboard with full context ready for your next move. Every minute saved is productivity gained and faster progress for your growing business. Manage calls, messages, and follow-ups right inside Kylas with KrispCall. Visit KrispCall.com and start growing smarter today.